To book an appointment on Booksy, start by downloading and installing the Booksy app from the App Store on your device. Once installed, open the app and create an account or login if you already have one. Next, search for the service provider you want to book an appointment with, such as a hair salon or spa, by entering their name or location in the search bar. You can also browse through the list of available providers in your area. After selecting the provider, choose the service you want to book, such as a haircut or massage, and select the date and time that works best for you. You can view the provider's availability and schedule in real time. Now, select the staff member you want to work with, if applicable, and add any additional services or notes to your appointment. Review the details of your appointment, including the date, time, and total cost, and confirm your booking. You will receive a confirmation email and notification with the appointment details. You can also view and manage your upcoming appointments in the Booksy app. To get the most out of Booksy, be sure to read reviews and check the ratings of service providers before booking an appointment. You can also use the app to book appointments for multiple people at once and take advantage of special promotions and discounts. By following these steps, you can easily book an appointment on Booksy and enjoy a convenient and hassle-free experience. Remember to always review and confirm the details of your appointment before booking to ensure a smooth and successful experience.